pulled into this Indian Meadows on the Ohio Turnpike rest stop. They have a bunch of RV parking. You'll see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 spots. I'm in spot 10 because I'm at the end here where duders can go to the bathroom. But they have there's picnic tables. Let's see if I can see this. There's picnic tables off in the distance. And you can go inside and they have a Starbucks in there. There's bathrooms in there if I want to use them. And I am just going to stay here for 24 hours so I can charge up. You'll see they give us each those charging stations, and there's supposed to be potable water. Oh, there it is. The potable water is straight ahead right there. The cost for this is $20. So I didn't think that was too bad. Today is a rainy, miserable day, as you can see by the clouds. I didn't think that was too bad for the cost for today. We're gonna add that to our costs. Welcome to vlog number 2 of my travels through this month of May excursion across the United States. Wanted to update you guys, like I promised in the last video, of what we got going on as far as costs so far, including the $20 that I paid for the rest stop to get charged up all day. I'm gonna flip this camera around and I'm gonna show you guys Notion, and it's how I'm keeping track of my miles and where I'm going and the costs that are involved into it. And it's actually kind of neat. Let me flip the camera around for you. So this is what we have going on so far on my trip for this May. As I said in the previous video, I did a fill up at home at my local Stewart's, and it averaged out to be about $88 for that fill up. Gas is a little bit pricey in my area currently. Total fill up was $88. I also did a order for Walmart for all of my groceries for the start, and that was $150.40. Also part of my Walmart order, I had what I'm calling van supplies, which is my butane. I'm going to be splitting out my expenses between gas, groceries, van supplies, camp spots, activities, and if there's anything else that comes along that I feel I need to cover, I will add those at the time. And then this is something that I purchased that'll go for later on in this vlog, which is my National Parks Pass, so I can go to all the national parks that have a fee, and that is $80 for an annual fee. So I'm just going to include that because it is going to be part of the activities, especially me when I visit the Indiana Dunes National Park and some of the other national parks that I'll be seeing later on in my trip. The other thing that I can do with this little report is I can summarize it by gas, and it'll just give me what I've paid for gas so far. It'll do groceries, the camp spots, my activities. Oh, souvenirs was the other thing that I included, when I want to buy souvenirs. And then what is the other one? Souvenirs. I think that's it. We'll keep it here on the all, and I will be updating this as I go through the vlogs so you guys can see how I'm doing as far as expenses and stuff like that. Now, I don't have a set budget, but I do want to give you guys a realistic view of how much money I personally spend when I'm on the road versus somebody else who may have a lower budget than me or a higher budget than me. I just hope this helps give you guys a little bit more information and insight into my travels. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We just got through driving from the turnpike, the Ohio Turnpike spot, to we're at the Indiana Dunes, and Duders sees. Hey Duders, you want to say hello? Duders. Hey. 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 He sees people walking by. Duders, what's the matter with you? I'm at Mount Baldy right now, and I'm trying to determine. I gotta look online because there's no way I'm climbing that dune, okay? I don't even know if you're supposed to. It's like supposedly one of the tallest dunes. It goes like 600 feet. And there's a trail. There's a sign that says trail to the beach, but I don't know how long the trail is, so I gotta try to look that up online to see if I think Duders is gonna make it. And otherwise, I don't know, I might just leave him in the van. I'll probably bring him with me. He's been having so much fun, like sniffing all the new smells and stuff. Took him inside of the visitor center and they loved him in there. Whenever I carry him around people, he's very, not friendly. Like, it's not like I would say, here, pet him, but he doesn't bark or make any noise when I carry him. So everybody's just like, oh, what a cute dog. But it's 74 degrees out. I thought it was going to be hazy and cloudy today. And as soon as we got into Indiana, it did start clearing up. So there's a beautiful sky. I'm going to turn this around so you guys can see this dune that I'm looking at through my car. Look at that dune. I need to figure out how to use this gimbal because I'm struggling with this new camera in keeping it like not shaky. I have a really crap selfie stick right now. It's not really a stealth selfie stick. It's a cheap tripod that I have folded together, and I can't find my other solid X-Shot selfie stick since I can't get this gimbal working. Otherwise, I just might hold it by hand. Yeah, I'm gonna look one more time, and then Duders and I are gonna make a game plan. So I'll check back with you when I stop sweating and figure out what I'm gonna do. I have a feeling this is gonna take us forever. And I'm just seeing we gotta go up those stairs to get to the trail. Would it be satisfactory if we just went to the restroom? Let's make it up these stairs first. Right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. Thank you so much for coming along with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new to the channel, I hope you will subscribe. If you liked the video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment below and let me know what are some locations in the United States that you would like to visit sometime in the future. You guys have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next vlog when we head on over to check out Starved Rock State Park.